Papaalam pa. Di ba, butas? Anak ng pitong kalabaw. May parang pa eh. Tagkamandag. Okay. Kanta tayo. May parang. Jakol na kagad. Yan, correct yan. Kaya yung mga lalaki dito, pag ginusto mag-jakol, jakol kagad. Labas kagad ang burak. Okay, this song is dedicated to all of you. Lahat ng hang. Lahat ng matutulis na nasa room na nananahiling. Yeah, nangahalay na naman sila. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and gets yours and bothers her long brown hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say, yes, you look wonderful tonight. Oh, para kay Tal Pedro. We go to a party and everyone turns to sing. This beautiful lady is walking around with me, and then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Please, I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Itong kanta ko eh, lagi kinakanta ni Wise sa pusa niya. Nasa 49 pero mga yan. Wonderful tonight. And lagi niya kinakanta sa Buddhi. Gusto kaya. It's time to go home now. And I've got a king hand. So I give her the car key. She helped me to bed, and then I tell her, after I turn out the light, and I say, yes, you are wonderful tonight. Oh my Nana, you are wonderful tonight. Kira, matay kong sakler. Silupin na lang. Magagalit ang yaya ko. Ibang klase yung yaya ko. Siya ko ang yaya ko. Sa lahat ng katulong ito. Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga clubs, mga kapatid. Bigay na po natin tutol suabe. Asan ba? O si Tol PG. Tol Pedro na yata eh. Tol Peter. Tol na yata, Tol. Miss na namin yung boses mo. Halika rito. Tol Peter. Sino na ba? Hotel Condom pala. Ikaw ang maghatak ng tao dito sa mikropono. Tolupin. Ayun si Tol Sky. Oh, grab the mic, Tol. If I'm